welcome to Shut in Nuer. If you are new to my channel, please help me by subscribing. Today we are going to learn these English words. We are going to translate them into thok nath or thok or Nuer language. Well, the first word is God. God. God means quote. God quote. Scroll. Kolgora. That's the meaning. Kolgora. Scroll. Kolgora. So scroll. Kolgora. Silt. Silt. Deal. Kia deal. Misha gak. Misha deal. Silt. Misha deal. Kid. The Cholanujan deal. Charlie deal. Kia deal. And it is past participle silt. Deal. Misha gak. Misha deal. Sales. Dealy. Dealy. Sales mean many. It is plural. Dealy. Or you can say it quomany. Mungwanka. Quomany. Seal. Seal karwade. A deal. Deal kel. Ke kumadora. You know. Seal it. Deal. Mi chagak. Chagak no one. Mi cha deal. Seals. Dealy. Ke quomany. La kum kador. Seal. Deal. Ke kumadora. La kum kador. Angel. Jackot. Jackonial. Jack. The control Jack. Angels. Angels. Namene is singular. No raja quick kamaniam. La jen kwal cholo Jack jemo. Angels. One ke. Jackonial. Jackonial. Even. Rollnial. Rollnial. Even. Rollnial. Take a deck Skype. Skype or Nijan, but even a roll near Guadran the cotton. Heard we mon. Heard K wishmon. We mon. Heard worthy mitelwang. Worthy mitelwang. Misha jono jin worthy o tika long miledeng wane kaja. Like you have power, you are worthy. Gentil long words karwada mitel long. Here we go. Weep. Weep. Wear. Mi pen meran. Mi wear. Shlau de jerk. You weep. Wear. Mi pen merkuten. Weep. Lamb. Lamb Roddell. Lamb, Rottdale. Rottdale. Slain. Ngot dora, ngot ka dor ka ngom, ki ngot ka dor, menaka dor medodien. Surely slain. La ngot dor ka slain. Misha mo ke di gwas benda slain it. So da nyuto no charge ngot. Dumno na me slain ngot dora. Menaka dor medodien. Shere kamen shall sacrifice. Sacrifice nak lo kwa dor nak medodien. Drone. Drone here. Drone here. I mean kom kwara. Drone. Kom kwara. Horns. Twong. Horns plural. Singular horn. Shall tung. It is called tung in thok nath or in no language. Omnipotence. This one. Omnipotence. And me take a bomb kill you. Me take a bomb kill you. Omnipotent. Omniscient. Omniscient. And me ngwana dial. Me ngwana dial shall omniscient. Creature. Lay. Lay. Kill lay. They control lay. Creatures. Kalay. The first one singular, lay, katong nath. The second one is creatures, lay, mungwanke, ichole lay. Lay, kana lay. Servant, lad, lad. Sometime in where we call it jang. Somebody will work for you. Chale jang. Ke de kon chale lad. Jang kot. Lad kot. Chale servant. Servants. This one was singular, and the second one is plural. Servants. Lat. Lat. Ke jang. Well, you please practice. I will repeat it one more time. God, kot, scroll, kolgora, silit, deal, seals, dealy, seal, deal, angel, jaquat, angelis, jaquat, even, rolnial, herb, winmon, worthy, mitelwang, weep, wear, lamb, roadel, slain, ngodora, drone, comquera, horns, tongue, hon, tung, omnipotence, emiteka bom kelio, omniscience, emengengwane dial, creature, lay, creatures, lay, servant, lert, kejang, servants, slat. So please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channels and also follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.